Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about how we can find the changes based on sales orders. So suppose this is very important because sales order is the the type of documents that are used to book. It's just the opposite of purchase order where the customer has ordered something and you are selling it. Okay. So let's go to VA03. Okay, I go to VA03 and this is the order, and suppose I want to see the changes on it. So I go to environment, okay, and do environment here. Environment changes, and here I'll just need to execute. You can put additional information. I can say document items, time of change. Let's see, sort it. And here you can see these are the changes that has been done. So if I double click, it will tell you what are the changes. This is the field that has been changed. Okay, and the short text for the sales order item has been changed, and this was changed. The change was done from this to this. Okay, so if you see, this is the old thing and this is the new thing. So this is very impossible, very important in any SAP project or any SAP client, because you will make changes and you want to make sure who has correctly made the changes. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel and happy SAP learning, and have a great day.